We all have things in common. Whatever our religion, race, gender, whether we're disabled or not, whether we're young or older, whether we live in Wales, China or Bangladesh, we all also have human rights. And children and young people, you have your own set of rights called the United Nations Convention for the Rights of the Child, the UNCRC, which contains a list of things that you're all entitled to make sure that you can grow and develop happily, healthily and safely.
They look at you as if you've come from Mars. It's like, no, we're exactly the same as you. Like, just because I wear a scarf and just because my religion is like different than yours, it doesn't mean anything.
Kickboxing, self-defense, I like keeping fit.
Playing football with my friends, going out.
I play a lot of football. Do you hoffi gwneud celf?
Football, cooking and rugby.
Dwi'n mwynhau'n gwneud textiliau.
Reading, I like writing novels a lot.
Reading, maths and basketball.
I do a lot of volunteering.
I'm a normal human being. Like, I probably like the same things as you. I probably listen to the same music as you. I probably do the same activities as you. Just because my religion's different, it doesn't make me a different person.